Okay, we just got back from a hill. My
we're going back on it, but I cut myself. So
ready? 1, 2, 3.
Where'd you go? Oh God, it wrecked. That was so fun though.
yeah, but we're going back on the adventure. So
I hope you like and subscribe, and we'll show you. I'm going to show you more, but right now we have injuries. But we'll be back in a little bit. Wait, in fact, I won't leave because I want to record what I think. It's going to be exciting. It's going to be like a movie, man. It's going to take like an hour. And yet again, like and subscribe. And my cousin, my Quan, right there, in the blue jacket right there. He's going to make a channel. And
I think it's gonna name all of us into it.
He's gonna name me, my friend right here, that got his hand, and him into the channel. He's gonna name us, and you can subscribe as long as you want. Well, now he's going off butter porch. Seriously, just grab that. Look at that.
Someone yelling Nathan, I think.
No, I said Ethan. I might be moving to this house right here. Well, yeah.
We can't tell him where we were because he'll tell your mama.
No. Well, right now, it's going to keep this a secret, and yeah. Well, right now, we're just going to look at that beautiful red bucket. Look at that red bucket. Okay, well,
We will also be back with some funny
well, this
videos.
is my brother up here.
We'll be back with some funny videos and some scary. Some, they'll be plain up stupid, so you might not want to watch, but some will be funny, scary. Sometimes we might create some vines, but otherwise, that's how we do it.
My brother right here. Well, you can't see his
And
face.
today was just like,
Ow! Just ran
today
over.
was a journey, which was basically like,
Climbing.
We rarely do any of journeys.
yeah, we're all about the scary stuff.
Yeah, we watched the gallows, ghouls, and all that.
Yeah. Well, there is this abandoned place
Up there.
Yeah, by the tree that we were just at.
Yeah.
And I'm thinking about checking it out.
We're gonna think about it. Most of the answers probably be no, but
Some of them will probably be yes.
we might just do it.
I'm voting for yes. I'm voting for yes. Raise your hand.
Yes.
But the only thing, last time I went into an abandoned house, we saw a fucking, like a ghostly figure.
Oh.
Okay, this one's good. Remember that one time he was in there? Yeah, we screamed.
Oh yeah, remember when you heard that noise, Damien?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, you go to your house, and I'm gonna go.
My brother
Okay.
saw. We all meet up right here in front of his. Okay.
Okay, we'll be right here.
My brother saw a dark shadow.
Hi, fellow viewers.
We're right now going into my aunt's house. Be quiet.
This is my aunt's little puppy. Her name is the Blue.